안녕하십니까? 2019학년도 9월 고2 전국 연합학력평가 영어 영역 듣기평가 안내 방송입니다. 잠시 후 2019학년도 9월 고2 전국 연합학력평가 3교시 영어 영역 듣기평가 방송을 시작하겠습니다. 수험생 여러분은 편안한 마음으로 방송에 귀를 기울여 주시고 감독 선생님께서는 스피커의 음량을 알맞게 조절해 주십시오. 수험생 여러분은 답안을 작성하기 전에 반드시 답안지 왼쪽 해당欄에 성명, 수험 번호 등을 정확하게 기입하고 표기하였는지 확인하시기 바랍니다. 듣기평가 문제는 1번부터 17번까지입니다. 방송을 잘 듣고 문제지에 있는 5개의 답지 중에서 맞는 답 하나만 골라 답안지 해당欄에 바르게 표기하십시오. 그러면 지금부터 3교시 영어 영역 듣기평가를 시작하겠습니다. 1번부터 17번까지는 듣고 답하는 문제입니다. 1번부터 15번까지는 한 번만 들려주고 16번부터 17번까지는 2번 들려줍니다. 방송을 잘 듣고 답을 하시기 바랍니다. 1번 대화를 듣고 여자의 마지막 말에 대한 남자의 응답으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
What did you do last weekend?
I watched the movie The Universe.
Oh, really? I'm planning to watch that with my friend tonight. How did you like it?
(2번) 대화를 듣고 남자의 마지막 말에 대한 여자의 응답으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Mom, I'm home. Did my package arrive this afternoon?
No, I've been home all day, but nothing came.
That's strange. I got a text message that says my package was delivered.
(3번) 다음을 듣고 남자가 하는 말의 목적으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Good morning, students. I'm Principal Brad Smith. We're pleased to announce the launch of our school's official social media page on UChannel. For better communication about school news, emergency information, and upcoming events, we've started this social media page as our newest communication tool. We'll continue to use our other notification tools, including the school website, letters home, and emails. The UChannel page will be an additional method allowing for quick and immediate updates accessible on your computer or mobile phone. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.
(4번) 대화를 듣고 여자의 의견으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Justin, how's your speech coming along?
I don't think it's going so well, Ms. Jones.
What's wrong? I know you've been working really hard.
I think the script and the visual aids are good, but something about my delivery is still awkward.
Have you considered recording a video of yourself practicing your speech?
No, I haven't. Why?
Seeing how you deliver your speech can help you correct your weak points.
How can it help?
When you watch a video of yourself giving the speech, you can see what kinds of gestures you make and hear how you sound.
Oh, you mean that I can fix something strange in my delivery if I see myself do it on video?
Exactly. You can improve your delivery through this method.
Thank you. I'll try that now.
(5번) 대화를 듣고 두 사람의 관계를 가장 잘 나타낸 것을 고르시오.
Excuse me, are you Anna Zimmerman? I can't believe I'm seeing you here.
Oh, hello. Have we met before?
No, but I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you. I love meeting my fans.
I just finished your latest book, The Beautiful Days. I read the whole thing in a day.
I'm flattered. What did you like most?
I really liked the part where Emma and Jason first dance.
That's my favorite moment, too. It took me more than 2 weeks to write that chapter.
Wow, it was worth it. It was so beautifully described. I hope this book will be made into a movie.
I'm so glad you like it that much.
I think you're one of the best novelists in the world. Can I get your autograph, please?
Sure.
(6번) 대화를 듣고 그림에서 대화의 내용과 일치하지 않는 것을 고르시오.
Hey, Vicky. Looks like your club's face painting booth is ready for the school festival.
I just finished it. Please have a look.
Okay. You chose the roof with a striped pattern. I love it.
Thanks. What do you think of the banner between the poles?
The one that says face painting on it? It looks really nice.
I wanted our booth's activity to be really clear. I designed it myself.
Really? You did a great job. Oh, there's one round table in the booth.
Right. That's where we'll do face painting. We also have 2 stools next to the table. Do you think it's enough?
It looks like it'll be enough. That's a nice photo frame outside the booth.
Yes. I want visitors to take photos of themselves there.
Cool. It'll be a great place to record memories of the festival.
I think so too. I hope many students visit my booth.
(7번) 대화를 듣고 남자가 여자에게 부탁한 일로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Good morning, Ms. Stevenson.
Hi, Minsu. How's your group project going? I heard that you're sending books to Nepal.
It's going well. We bought Korean folktale books, and we're translating them into English.
Are you going to remake the books in English?
No, we're planning to put the translations next to the original text.
That sounds really difficult.
It is, but thanks to a translation app, we've been able to finish our first draft.
That's good. Does that mean you're almost ready to send the books?
Actually, that's why I came to see you. We're not sure if our English translation sounds natural. Would you mind checking the first draft of our translation?
No problem. I'm happy to help you. When do you need me to finish by?
Well, we'll package the books next month.
If you email me the translation this week, Then I'll give you the feedback by the end of this month.
Thank you so much.
(8번) 대화를 듣고 여자가 개를 키울 수 없는 이유를 고르시오.
What a cute dog. Is it yours?
Yes, I adopted him from an animal rescue center.
I've always wanted a dog, but I can't have one.
Why? Are you allergic to animal hair?
I'm only allergic to cat hair. Dogs are totally fine.
What's the problem then? Your house has a big backyard, so I think it's a perfect place for dogs.
I think so too. It's a really dog-friendly environment.
Do your parents not like dogs?
No, they love dogs. But I'm worried about a dog being alone during the day.
Is there nobody who can look after a dog?
There is no one at home during the day. My parents work, and my brother and I go to school.
Oh, I see. That's why you can't get a dog.
(9번) 대화를 듣고 남자가 지불할 금액을 고르시오.
Hi, how can I help you?
I'm looking for vegetable seeds for my garden. Can you recommend some vegetables that are easy to grow?
Sure. How about lettuce or tomatoes?
How much are they?
Lettuce seeds are $3 for one packet, and tomato seeds are $4 for one packet.
Sounds good. I'll buy 2 packets of tomato seeds.
Okay. Do you need anything else?
I also need fertilizer.
I'd recommend this liquid fertilizer. It's one of our best sellers.
How much is it?
It was originally $10 a bottle, but we're offering a 30% discount on this fertilizer.
Great. I'll take 1 bottle. Here's my credit card.
(10번) 대화를 듣고 월드 푸드 페스티벌에 관해 언급되지 않은 것을 고르시오.
Katie, what are you doing?
I'm looking at a brochure for the World Food Festival. Do you remember the event I talked about before?
Yeah, you said we can enjoy different types of foods from around the world. Where will it be?
It'll be held at the Central Park in Orange County.
That's not far from here. Is it on a weekend?
Yes, it's on Sunday, September 22nd, and starts at 10 a.m.
I've never been to a food festival before. What kind of programs does this one have?
There are tasting events for foods from all around the world and a variety of folk shows. Would you like to go with me?
I'd love to. We should probably drive there. Will there be parking available?
The brochure says there will be a parking lot. It'll cost $5 to park there for the whole day.
Perfect. Let's take my car. I'll pick you up.
Okay, I'll see you then.
(11번) 아루샤 내셔널 파크 투어에 관한 다음 내용을 듣고 일치하지 않는 것을 고르시오.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jessica Parker. Today, I'm here to tell you about the Arusha National Park Tour. It's a one-day tour program. This park is situated between Kilimanjaro and Mount Meru. You can enjoy breathtaking views of lakes and mountains. Also, you can see diverse wildlife such as monkeys, buffaloes, and elephants. At 7 a.m., you will be picked up at the east entrance of the park to begin the tour. The drop-off location will be the same as the pickup location. The tour ends around 9 p.m., but that may change based on weather conditions. I hope you won't miss this tour.
(12번) 다음 표를 보면서 대화를 듣고 두 사람이 구매할 에어프라이어를 고르시오.
Honey, what are you looking at?
A website that sells air fryers. I want one so we can cook more healthily.
Good idea. We can fry foods using less oil if we buy one. How much do you think we should spend?
Well, I don't want to spend more than $100.
Okay, then how about these models?
It's safer to buy one that will turn off if it gets too hot.
You're right. Let's choose one with the automatic switch-off function.
What about capacity? My friend bought one that could only hold 2 liters. She regretted not buying a bigger one.
In that case, we should get one with a capacity of at least 4 liters. Now we have these two to choose from.
They both look good, but I think the one with the longer warranty is better.
I agree. Let's order this one.
(13번) 대화를 듣고 여자의 마지막 말에 대한 남자의 응답으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Hey, Brian, are you eating chocolate again? You've been eating a lot of chocolate these days.
Yeah, but I can't stop. I eat sweets whenever I'm stressed.
What's going on?
I've been busy preparing for my final exams, and I have too many assignments.
I understand, but eating sweets doesn't really help relieve stress. It does more harm than good.
I know. Do you have any idea about what I can do instead?
Maybe you can try walking or stretching. Those have helped me a lot.
Really? That sounds like a better way to deal with my stress because it's healthier.
Definitely. Physical activity will be much more helpful than eating chocolate.
(14번) 대화를 듣고 남자의 마지막 말에 대한 여자의 응답으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Jay, why do you look so annoyed?
I've been surfing the internet, but there are so many ads.
What kinds of ads?
Pop-up advertisements. Whenever I open a new website, ads pop up. It takes a lot of time for me to close all of them.
That used to happen to me too. Maybe I can help you.
Is there a way to stop them?
I'm using a program that blocks pop-up advertisements.
Is it difficult to use?
It's very simple and easy. Just install a pop-up blocker on your computer, and it'll prevent ads from popping up.
That sounds good. But what if I can't see important pop-up messages that are not advertisements?
(15번) 다음 상황 설명을 듣고 이브가 톰에게 할 말로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Eve is a college student who is majoring in history. She has been worried about her career path because she's uncertain about what to do after she graduates. So, to learn more about her career options, she regularly meets a career counselor at her college. She feels that it has helped her a lot. One day, Eve finds out that her classmate Tom is also worried about what to do after he graduates. Eve wants to suggest that Tom go see the career counselor for advice. In this situation, what would Eve most likely say to Tom?
(16번부터 17번까지는 2번 들려줍니다. 16번과 17번 다음을 듣고 물음에 답하시오.
Hello, students. As you all know, heavy traffic is a major source of air pollution. To tackle this problem, many European cities are taking various actions. For instance, in Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark, large parts of the city have been closed to vehicles for decades, and the city plans to become carbon neutral by 2025. Also, Paris, in France, bans cars in many historic districts on weekends and encourages car and bike sharing programs. In Belgium, the city of Brussels operates Mobility Week to encourage public over private transportation. And for one day every September, all cars are banned from the entire city center. Lastly, cities in Germany are establishing green zones in city centers. If vehicles don't have a sticker showing they have an acceptable emission level, they can't enter those places. Now, I'll show you some pictures that illustrate this.
다시 한번 듣겠습니다.
Hello, students. As you all know, heavy traffic is a major source of air pollution. To tackle this problem, many European cities are taking various actions. For instance, in Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark, large parts of the city have been closed to vehicles for decades, and the city plans to become carbon neutral by 2025. Also, Paris, in France, bans cars in many historic districts on weekends and encourages car and bike sharing programs. In Belgium, the city of Brussels operates Mobility Week to encourage public over private transportation. And for one day every September, all cars are banned from the entire city center. Lastly, cities in Germany are establishing green zones in city centers. If vehicles don't have a sticker showing they have an acceptable emission level, they can't enter those places. Now, I'll show you some pictures that illustrate this.
16번 여자가 하는 말의 주제로 가장 적절한 것은? (17번) 언급된 나라가 아닌 것은? 이제 듣기 문제가 끝났습니다. 18번부터는 문제지의 지시에 따라 답을 하시기 바랍니다.